Custom-Made Jewelry by Sylvia Findings, Richmond, BC, Canada. Begin your creative journey right here. Custom-made jewelry production process.
Hi, my name is Mark Leroux for Sylvia Findings. And I just want to take a minute to explain to you our custom-made jewelry production process. Generally, it'll start with a customer getting a hold of us with an idea. They have an inquiry. We'll have a little discussion about what it is that they want, what items they need. Maybe they have a stone that they want to send to us to have scanned so that it'll fit the piece. We'll send them an order form so they can fill it out and we can have all their particulars like email address, physical address for shipping. And then we'll refine the requirements that they need, exactly what kind of a pendant, what kind of a ring, what designs, what special attributes. Maybe they want stones on the band of the ring or, that kind of thing. They're just refining, so we're nailing down the final details of the piece. And that can take as little as 10 minutes, or it could take, several days going back and forth, because everybody has a little different vocabulary for design ideas, and sometimes it takes a little bit of back and forth before everybody's on the same page, understanding what we all want. At that point, we'll send, I guess we'll assess if the piece is going to be under 5 grams, because we have pricing in place that's a minimum pricing for items 5 grams or under. In sterling silver, that price currently is $68, and for gold is $135. For sterling, that's the flat fee. If it ends up, the whole piece ends up being under 5 grams, that's all you'll pay. $25 of that fee is for the 3D design of that piece. Now, if your piece, if we can't tell, or if we sense that it'll be more than 5 grams, we'll ask you to pay that portion of the design fee, or that portion of the manufacturing fee first, to that $25 for sterling, $35 for gold pieces, so we can have the 3D design done first. And once that 3D model is created, from there we can calculate the volume of the piece, and using a little bit of math we can extrapolate to the weight of the whatever alloy we're going to be casting it in, and from there an actual cost, an actual proper price quote. Once we have that, we'll send you an invoice for the difference. If it ends up being under 5 grams, then it'll just be the difference between the $25 and the $68. And then, once you have the 3D design, you'll have to approve it. And once the design is approved, it'll go off to the production facility, where it will take anywhere from 4 to 7 days for production. In between that and the production, there might be some other steps, like maybe you want a 3D printed version of that piece to look at. Maybe you want to, you're not really sure how it'll look on your finger, or if you sent us a stone to put in the ring, maybe we want to test the stone in the piece, so we'll do a 3D print of the piece right in the office. And once all that done, once the production is done, we'll ship the ring to our office, where it'll undergo a final quality control. And if you've opted to have us set the stones in the piece, we'll do that. We'll set the stones there. And once all that's done, we'll ship it off to you. And hopefully there'll be nothing but happiness at the end of the process. And that's basically it. Now, if that's for one piece. If you needed to have multiple pieces done, there's a couple of ways we can do it. If you wanted to have like 30 pieces or more, maybe we'll make a rubber mold of that, so that we can do wax blanks with a rubber mold. That ultimately ends up being cheaper than doing 30 single pieces. But yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching.